the other person got better marks. No, not this. Merit list.
And then prepare the merit list. For example, somebody said I am a key candidate, and he applied for that, and he certificate verification after merit.
Before appointments.
No, before. After merit list.
What is the time gap you are providing between merit list and appointments? So we need to give some time for people to raise objections insofar as any selection process saying that they got better placed or this. At least a week's time should be given for people to say that this will be notification is published in the website, marks, everything. Let them know where they stand, whether they have lost out on fairly. Let them have a satisfaction of losing it fairly. First.
They should just list so prepared something published the official website with the approval chairman, duly inviting candidates for certificate verification. First, the merit list has to be displayed, then the certificate verification process. What they are doing, certificate verification, they are doing individually, calling the candidates. Thereafter, they wanted to give final name.
It may not have much of a bearing as long as before appointment they disclose the marks given to the appointees. అది ముందర వెనకాల అవడం వల్ల పెద్ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఏం లేదు. As long as before appointment they have disclosed the marks of the selected candidates. That is what we'll get clarity on 1st of September. I'll ask them to display the merit list, and a time gap should be there for people to raise any objection. 1st September next. ఓ రోజు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాక వాళ్ళకి టైం ఇవ్వాలి రియాక్ట్ అవ్వడానికి. ఇప్పుడు ఏదో స్పోర్ట్స్ గురించి ఏదో చాలా విపరీతంగా మాట్లాడేసాం. మరి దే నీడ్ టు గివ్. First September we'll see. Because they can't say they are not going to publish merit list. That is not possible. Who is selected, people should know who is the employee. వాళ్ళకి తెలియాలి కదా జనానికి. మీకు మాకు కాకపోయినా సెలెక్ట్ అయిన వాడికి తెలియాలి కదా. Even the selected candidate will be unsure until he is in merit list. For his own safety, better it is merit list is published. And there's a gap.